Are you tired of manually managing your Google Form submissions and want them to instantly sync with Google Drive? In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to connect Google Forms to Google Drive using an easy automated integration. By the end of this video, your forms will seamlessly send data straight to your Drive. No manual effort required. Let's dive in. First, we'll use Zapier for this integration. It's a reliable tool that connects your favorite apps together. Step 1, log into your Zapier account and click the option to add all steps to Zap. This sets up the foundation for your integration. Now, let's configure the trigger, which is Google Forms. Select Google Forms as your trigger app and choose the trigger event that matches your needs. For example, when a new form response is submitted. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account and grant the necessary permissions so Zapier can access your form data. Click Configure to specify how you want the trigger data to be handled. Next, click Test to ensure the trigger is set up correctly. This step is crucial to avoid errors later. Once the trigger works, it's time to configure the action, which is Google Drive. Click the Google Drive tab and choose the action event. This could be creating a new file, uploading a document, or adding data to a specific folder. Sign into your Google account again if prompted, and click Configure to fine-tune how your form data should appear in Drive. Test this step as well by clicking Test to ensure the workflow runs exactly how you want it. Finally, when everything looks good, click Publish to activate your Zap. From now on, every new Google Form submission will automatically sync with Google Drive, saving you time and eliminating manual work. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a fully automated workflow between Google Forms and Google Drive. No more copying and pasting, no more missed responses, just smooth automatic integration. If this guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more powerful automation tips, and comment below if you want me to cover other integrations. See you in the next video.